Hi, this is the OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open for the settings up, down, scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see media, call, ringtone notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. We could activate or turn off the Don't Disturb mode to change the device ringtone for Scene 1, Scene 2, to activate or turn off the live captions, to pin the media player and to show media recommendations with the help of the switchers. Let's go back. We could also use the vibration and haptics settings. We could just activate them or to turn them off, and to change the same settings for calls, notifications, and interactive haptics. We could activate or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change default notification and alarm sounds, and to activate or turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charge and sounds and vibration, touch sounds, and to always to show icon in vibration mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.